Clean uninstall steps will remove all installed software from your machine and any residual files from any previous installations. Gillisoft AI Toolkit. Gillisoft AI Toolkit offers advanced face swapping for seamless transformations, intelligent chat generation for engaging conversations, voice cloning for replication, accurate text extraction from pictures, conversion of text to audio, the ability to change the sky for enhanced visuals, skin whitening and body shaping options, restoration and colorization of old photos, speech-to-text conversion, enlargement of images for better quality, translation across multiple mediums, removal of watermarks, repair of facial details, enhancement of images, separation of backgrounds, colorization of photos, and the transfer of artistic styles, all aiming to provide users with a rich and diverse set of capabilities for creative and practical applications. Face Swap. Face Swap provides an advanced and intelligent way to swap faces. It uses sophisticated algorithms to ensure realistic and seamless transitions, allowing users to create fun or creative visuals with ease. It offers a great deal of flexibility and precision in face swapping, bringing a new level of interactivity and entertainment. Chat. Chat is an intelligent chat feature that can generate diverse and meaningful chat content. It has the ability to understand and respond appropriately, engaging in in-depth conversations. It can offer useful information, suggestions, and interesting exchanges, making communication more dynamic and enjoyable. Voice cloning. Voice cloning enables the replication of a particular voice with remarkable accuracy. It allows for the creation of personalized voices or the imitation of famous ones. This can be applied in various fields such as audio production, virtual assistants, or adding a unique touch to projects. Picture-to-text. Picture-to-text accurately extracts text from images, providing a convenient way to obtain written information from visual sources. It helps in digitizing and accessing content that might otherwise be difficult to obtain, opening up new possibilities for data extraction and utilization. Text to audio. Text to audio converts written text into audible speech, enhancing accessibility and providing an alternative way to consume content. It can be used for audiobooks, navigation systems, or any situation where audible output is preferred, offering convenience and flexibility.
Distinguished leaders, guests, dear colleagues, good morning. Law back to spring gradually. Vientiane began to update. In the past 1 year.
Speech to text. Speech to text accurately converts spoken words into written text, facilitating transcription and note-taking. It is useful in various settings such as meetings, interviews, or when quickly capturing ideas, saving time and effort. Watermark removal. Watermark removal uses intelligent techniques to eliminate watermarks from images. It allows for the reuse or modification of images without the distraction of watermarks, providing more flexibility in creative projects. Remove BG. Remove BG efficiently separates the foreground from the background in an image. It allows for easy isolation of objects or people, providing flexibility for compositing or creating clean backgrounds for various creative projects. Change sky. Change sky allows for the manipulation of the sky in an image to better suit different moods or scenes. It gives users the ability to create more visually appealing or imaginative compositions by replacing the sky with various options, adding an artistic touch. Super resolution upscaling. Enlarge is capable of enhancing the resolution and quality of low-pixel images. It uses advanced algorithms to upscale the images, resulting in sharper and more detailed visuals, allowing for better display or printing. Face repair. Face repair focuses on enhancing and repairing facial details in images. It can address issues such as blemishes, wrinkles, or other imperfections, resulting in improved facial appearance and a more polished look. Colorize photos. Colorize photos adds color to black and white or grayscale images, giving them a new lease of life. It helps to bring out the details and add a touch of vibrancy, making the images more engaging and visually interesting. Whitening and shaping. Whitening and shaping offers options for skin whitening and body shaping to enhance physical appearance. It provides a means to achieve a desired look or aesthetic, whether for personal or professional use, allowing for adjustments to meet specific preferences. Image enhancement. Image enhancement enhances the overall quality of an image by adjusting lighting, colors, and contrast. It brings out the best in an image, making it more visually appealing and enhancing the viewing experience. Old photo repair. Old photo repair breathes new life into old and damaged photos. It uses advanced techniques to restore and colorize them, preserving memories and bringing back the details and vibrancy. It helps to cherish and showcase precious moments from the past. Translation. Translation provides the ability to translate text, documents, and images between different languages. It helps break down language barriers and enables communication and understanding across cultures, making information more accessible.
Bienvenido a bogur.com.
مرحبا بكم في بوغور.com.